when you're setting your preload, make sure, yeah, I know Hondas. Make sure you go 2 Ooga Doogas, okay? Remember 2, not 3, not 1, 2.
There's an example of what you don't want your suspension to look like, sound like, or feel like. That's the suspension that was on the car, and yeah, we got busy. Who's we? I had some special guests in the garage yesterday. We ended up taking care of our suspension problem. This was the problem. Here's what the rear looked like, and the fronts, trust me, were just as bad. These were original to, well, not original, but I want to say 12 or more years old. They were on the car when the car was once together and had since been parked. We went over this in a couple videos ago that there was still more things to do, and these were one of those things that we needed to address. Now, what did we replace them with? We replaced them with Truhart one-piece coilovers, the Street Plus version. Those aren't adjustable in terms of dampening, but you can obviously adjust height. And they are 9K fronts and 7K rears. They are on the car currently. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how that turned out. The rears need to be adjusted, so I will set you guys up and you will watch me do that. Berto and Austin, thank you very much. These guys came in huge for me yesterday. They helped me out big time, and we ended up taking care of most of what I wanted to do or wanted to get done in about 2 hours. So that was great. I'm gonna go ahead and drop that footage in here for you guys so you guys can see us messing around and getting this done. And then we're gonna go ahead and take care of the rear adjustment. So taking a break from the time lapse here, I just wanted to show you guys what we were doing. I went ahead and removed the 14 here, lower control arm to the body, and obviously the 14 that holds the strut fork into place. And you just want to give this one just a quick zap just to get that one loose. And that's going to give you the ability to move the lower control arm out of the way so we can go ahead and get this adjusted. You want to loosen this little lock ring here, and then that's going to let you spin the cup or the fork down. I'm gonna go about, I want to say, 1/2 inch higher. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab my measuring tape, measure it from the locking ring to this little space in between here, about 3/4, 1/2 inch, and that should give me the right height that I'm going after. So stay tuned. under here is nice and tight, as you just saw. I'm gonna go ahead and hit them with the torque wrench to the appropriate specs, and we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. So what I ended up doing was raising exactly 1/2 inch from the lower portion. I measured from down here to where the spring perch is up there. So this space, from the bottom of this space right here to the top, this first ring is exactly 2 inches. So we're gonna go ahead, repeat that process on the other side, and then hopefully that gives us the desired ride height. And here it is, guys, end result. We are back on the ground, nice and level, and with brand new coils. So here's the part number if you are interested in picking up a set of these for yourself. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing with these. More than likely holding on to them because you never know, but we'll see. They're retired. So thanks for joining me again on this one. The exhaust video is coming up. I still have to mount the canister in the rear, or the muffler itself in the rear. And yeah, so thanks, stay tuned, and as always, guys, hit that like, subscribe, drop a comment down there. Thank you.